A servlet in Java is a server-side Java component used to handle web requests and responses, mainly over HTTP. In simple terms, a servlet acts as a bridge between a user's browser and the server, processing requests and sending back dynamic content. When a user opens a website, submits a form, or clicks a button, the request is sent to the server. The servlet receives the request, runs Java code, interacts with databases or services if needed, and then sends a response back, usually a HTML, JSON, or XML. Servlets run inside a servlet container, such as Apache Tomcat, Jetty, or Glassfish. This container manages the servlet's lifecycle, including loading it, initializing it, handling multiple requests at the same time, and destroying it when the server shuts down. Most servlets extend to HTTP servlet class and override methods like doGet for GET requests and doPost for POST requests. These methods define how the servlet responds to different types of user actions. In short, a servlet is a Java-based backend component that powers dynamic interactive websites and web services. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.